Hi everyone, it's Jean from the Inky Owl Studio. Thanks for joining me today. I have a journal share or a project share of what we've been working on. I have a tutorial on how I put this together, and I'll link that down below in case you'd like to view that. But the front of it has this really lovely photograph like a fairy and a little Battenberg doily behind it. And it does have like a fairy theme, sort of a grown-up fairy theme. I put cloth here on the spine to reinforce it, and it ties together with a crinkled seam binding. And so we'll get started. This has 4 pockets, and in the front of it is this lovely, beautiful floral pocket with some really cute little cards. This is a double tag that you can use as a bookmark if you'd like. And this digital kit does come from Ephemeras Garden, and I will put the link to her shop down below. And then the next pocket is this really cute fairy on a bicycle, and that sticks in right there. The first large pocket has a small journal in it. It has 36 pages front and back. It's a naked journal with just some interesting papers. Some are vintage papers, some is tea stained, just a little variety. And in the middle is a lovely digital with some little hearts here. And if you don't care for these, you can cut these off. It wouldn't be any problem. But this is in the middle, waiting to be decorated. I'll put that in, and there's 2 of those in this side here. The second pocket has this really fun ephemera flip out envelope holder. I have a tutorial on this as well, and I'll link that down below. It flips out this way. There's a couple of tags stuck inside this pocket, and one inside this pocket, a postcard. And in the middle is a larger tag stuck inside there. And then it flips over to this side with another journaling card, another tag, and another journaling card in this pocket. Lots of places you can journal in these places. You can put photographs. Things would be perfect to put photographs in. And so this is get it around here right. Yeah, flipped out. There we are. And then it all ties together with a little button here in the back, just like so. A little vintage lace there on the side. So that is in the second pocket. The third pocket, I have all kinds of little goodies. I have some extra little small journaling cards that you can put inside those little mini journals. I have little tiny pieces. I think I have about 30 words in here. Little butterflies, labels, just some little doodads to decorate the inside of the journals with. And that's in this third pocket. And then the last pocket has the second mini journal. And this is the front of that. And the same kind of papers are inside here as well. All right. So that is what's inside the pockets. And then at the very back, I have a little notepad here. A little cute notepad just stuck here inside that pocket. And some scrap paper there. There is a couple journaling cards. Got this little cute head inside this floral pocket. And so when you're done filling up your journal, you can use this to store memorabilia in, maybe photographs, maybe letters, whatever, when you get those done. So that is the lunch bag little ephemera holder and journal holder. This will be available in my shop, And thank you so much for viewing. And again, the tutorial for making this lunch bag ephemera holder and the little flip out envelope will be listed down below. So thank you so much, and you have a great day. Bye.